the animal abuse.
Estoy llorando en mi habitación, todo se nubla a mi alrededor. Ella se fue con un niño pijo, tiene un Ford Fiesta blanco y un jersey amarillo. Por el parque les veo pasar, cuando se besan lo paso fatal. Voy a vengarme de ese marica, voy a llenarle el cuello de polvo pica pica. Sufre, amor, vuélveme a mi chica.
Hello, my name is Fernando, the cute boy.
Y a ti te lo hago igual, tú eres una mami.
And today I come to talk about how bad animal abuse is and show that the animals serviceable in the society when they do not deserve this abuse. Okay, I am going to talk about animal abuse. People who do not respect animals and take advantage of their nobility. Animals have been mistreated by you. Animals have been damaged by bad people who do not respect their life, or treat them with blocks or abandoning. When animals don't harm society, they use guys love. The consequence of this act is that we can see that is very evil because of what they do to these animals that are too beautiful. Giving bad ideas to
Tu madre es
society
una perra.
by doing these acts without feelings. Day after day, we can see these different acts on animals, such as abandoning, mistreatment, and brutal murders of them who do not deserve it. Okay, you are tired of being unfaithful as I am with Gracie? If you are very tired of this, I recommend drinking Speedman. My Bahia is unfaithful to me. Why drinking Speedman? We have to take care of the animals. They are beautiful and loving beings, and they do not deserve this treatment for use. They also feel good. They do not express it and they are the best in this world. Put yourself in their place and promote animal welfare in the world. They are the noblest.
Les voy a hacer magia.
Well, I hope you start taking care of the animals because they are wonderful, loving, and funny. And if you don't, a lion will eat you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for our next video. Bye.